everybody, it's me, Sophie from Sophie-World.com, and I was just sent this new product. It's called Bowlz. Let's get it on there, right? Bowlz. And it is a company that makes bowls that are meant to keep cold things cold and hot things hot. They're sort of based on that idea like the Yetis, you know, those the mugs that you're supposed to be able to put your drinks in and it'll keep them hot for like 24 hours and cold for 24 hours. So it's that sort of a technology. It's a double wall vacuum insulation sort of a thing. It's got a really nice powder coating on the outside and it's really pretty and shiny on the inside. And the idea is you're supposed to put your ice cream in here and it's supposed to be so thin-flated, grippy that you can turn your ice cream upside down. So I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see if this is true. I'm a little nervous because it might fall on my head, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. And I thought I would test it also with a regular bowl of ice cream and just see. Now, when somebody says to me, hey, you wanna try something that you get to eat ice cream? I'm like, yes, okay. So I put in some ice, and let's see. Ah! Cool, did you see that? It didn't come out. Okay, so I did it in a regular bowl, and let's see what happened. No, it's already gonna come out. Wait, I better catch it because I can see, yeah, okay. So, as you can tell, it does work. It freezes to the bottom, and it keeps it nice and solid on there. I think if you were not like me, a person who inhales their ice cream, it's a great product in that it'll keep your ice cream cold. Now me, I literally will have this inhaled before it even starts to melt, even like in a regular bowl. So it's kind of wasted on me. However, it's very, very cool. And I would love to use that as kind of like a magic trick to be like, hey, bah! Anyway, or go like, hey, you want some ice cream? Ah! And instead of it pumping out, of course, it sticks to the bottom, which would be very, very cool. But one thing about me is I am a bit of a geek. You see what we go? Ah! Hey, want some ice cream? And it stays. Anyway, that's my sense of humor. But I did, of course, because I am a bit of a sciencey geek. Like I love all that STEM stuff that we do with the kids nowadays. And so I had to test things out. So what I did was I took the Bowlz bowl and I took a regular bowl that is about the same size, this one right here. And what I did was put ice cubes, the same number of ice cubes in each one. And then I set my alarm and I just kept checking and checking and checking and checking and checking to keep, you know, an eye on it. And I will tell you this, the regular bowl in an hour was completely water. So all the ice had turned to water. Now on my Bowlz bowl, it took 2 hours. So it was about twice as long. Now I'm not quite sure what would happen if you were outside on a really hot day. I have to be honest with you because, you know, I can only assume with the sun beating down on the top of your ice cream, still the top of your ice cream is going to melt. But it certainly does keep the bottom cold. Now I did test out, does it keep hot things hot? And when I compared what I did was I just put the same amount of soup in the two bowls and then I tested it over 5-minute increments. And truth be told, they both cooled down at about the same rate. So I don't know if I would say that it really keeps hot things as hot as they say it is, but it certainly definitely keeps cold things cold. So there you have it. This is Bowlz. And if you want to learn more about Bowlz, you can go to getbowlz.com. So that is GETBOWLZ.com, getbowlz.com. And you can see lots of people doing that. See that? How long have I been talking? And it's still not melting. So for more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com and go get Bowlz.